Okay, got the packs 3 here, 2 of them. There's packs 3 Smart Vaporizer and same thing, only the complete kit. This box is twice the size of this box. It's really amazing. It's very exciting. I'm gonna open these and show everybody what's inside. The reason I bought 2 is because I have a lot of money, but I don't have any friends. So, never go to the pub or anything like that, never have friends over. If you look, this is my fridge. If you look in, no beer, no food. Very boring lifestyle. Anyway, the packs is much more interesting, and here we go. Open the box. Ooh, same symbol as is on the device itself. It's very interesting. Here we go. Looks really great. Sleek. Slim design. Looks like a thing that goes in the, you know. Yeah. Got a button on the top. Oh, the light goes on, push the button. That's cool. Maybe it's out of juice. And then, hold on. It's really easy to get this off, which is handy. That must be where the smoke comes through. A little thing there for the smoke to go into your mouth. You smoke it from the edge here, so don't let your friends, if you have friends, not like me, you don't let them put their mouth, because they'll just get out. This will get very disgusting very quickly. This thing just easily pops off. Just really simple. Pops off just like that. Ooh, it's a little cap, magnets. That's obviously where your dry herbs go. Fantastic. Nice big bowl there. Ooh, and a wee magnet goes back in. That's fantastic. Looks really cool. What else is in the box? Cool. We've got a maintenance kit. It's very exciting. Open what could be in the maintenance kit. It's, ooh, another one of these. That obviously fits in as well to this thing. Just pops off really easily. There we go. No, maybe that's on the, hold on. Try this end. Yeah, it works just really handy. Ooh, it's another mouthpiece. Oh, so you can suck it like, so if you have a smelly friend, you can put this on, and then your smelly friend can smoke it, and then you take this off and you put this mouthpiece on, and then that one's just for you. Wow, that's really cool. These people at PAX think of everything. They're even thinking about your smelly friends. This is the charger. Ooh, it's a wire. And a little plate. That's kind of cool. Oh, plugs on just like that. That's how it's done. Obviously, then you can charge that in. That's pretty cool. It's got a little magnet on it and everything. Friends will be very impressed. So that's the Pax 3, that's the standard box. Smart vaporizer. Comes with an app as well, I think. It's maybe a bit easier to unbox and figure out what's going on if you use the app. I didn't. Ooh, welcome to the Pax life. Surely it's more interesting than my life. And there's instructions in different languages. Very handy if maybe your smelly friend might be from a different country, speaks a different language, they might want that, so hold on to it. Ooh, this box now, twice as big, is it twice as good? Give me this, that's great. Ooh, Pax Life again. More bits and bobs. Okay, this is getting more exciting already. Here's another Pax. I kind of feel a bit stupid now. I have 2 Pax 3s and only 1 mouth and no friends. It's really not that funny, but let me see, same again, that's great, yeah.